Hello. Okay, so today you are talking about transformations, and we're going to take some notes on this. So please make sure to get out a piece of paper or your notebook and get these notes down with me. All right, so transformations happens with your polygons, and there are three ways that you can move a shape. Okay, so this is what we're talking about. We're talking about moving a shape. All right, so we're going to move a polygon by rotation. So there are three ways. Rotation is the first one we'll talk about. Okay, so rotation is when the shape moves by 90 degrees at a time. Okay, so you can have, which I apparently cannot draw. I know I say that all the time. I can't draw. Okay, so if you have your shape like this, okay, and you're going to move it a 90-degree turn, then your shape would look like that. Okay, they're supposed to look very similar by triangles, but they're supposed to be similar, but they're not too similar. Okay, so a quarter turn is 90 degrees. So we just took a quarter turn, okay? If we did a half turn, so then the triangle would be right here, okay? And it would be, this piece would be on top. So that would be a half turn. And that would equal 180. But if it did a full turn, it would just be back at the same position. That would be a whole 360 degrees. It would just make a complete rotation back to where it was. So the only time you would see change with a 90 with a rotation is with quarter and half. A full turn, it would be in the same spot. All right, a reflection. Oh, one more thing I want to point out right here. Rotation. So we've got our T. That stands for turn. And that is how I remember these. Guys, this was new to 5th grade last year. Was it new to 5th grade last year? Yes. And maybe it wasn't last year, but it's a new 5th grade skill. So I would have to memorize them by these little tricks I'm going to show you. Okay. Reflection. Is like a mirror. So reflection is like a mirror. So if you have a triangle, you're going to have the mirror image of that triangle, right? So it's going to be backwards. And this is flip. Okay? It flips over, right? Again, these are supposed to look exactly the same, but I can't draw. So this is a flip. And then the last one is translation. And this is where it slides up or down. And this is slide. So the triangle shapes don't change, but their location does. that makes sense. All right, I'll see you on the other side.